Ho, ho, ho. Laughter is the sparkle of the holiday season.
For the holiday season, I made a festive device that will go to ChatGPT and get a Festivus quote from there, and then it will say that quote out loud.
Feasting and merriment are the ornaments that adorn the holiday season, casting a radiant glow upon the hearts of all who partake.
Everything is written in Python. I first tested it out on a Windows PC. Once it worked, I morphed it to a Python on Linux.
You peace, love, and happiness this festive season. And
This
throughout
turned
the
out to be way easier than I thought. ChatGPT and OpenAI have interfaces to get the quotes and also to turn them into spoken text. For the buttons, I used the GPIO 0 library, and for audio output on the Raspberry OS, I used Pygame.